Bitcoin futures. Bitcoin futures were in consolidation mode for most of the week after pushing higher the week before. If we go back here and look at what's happened in the past, the market was consolidating back here before pushing higher in response. There was a 1 week consolidation here before price pushed up to a new level. The market drew out supply up here. Selling pressure was drawn out, and in response, price pulled back. The lows of the range came through here, and they were broken as supply continued to be drawn out. Here's the new lows of the range. There's been a period of consolidation over the last 7 weeks prior to the market gathering itself up and pushing higher last week. And then this week, the market has spent most of the week in consolidation and absorption mode. Whenever markets make clear gains like this, supply is drawn out in response. You'll have people taking profits. There'll be supply drawn out from the left, and there'll be people who think the market's done more than it should and short the market. And that supply needs to be absorbed if price is going to continue higher. So this week, the market spent most of the week in consolidation mode. Selling pressure must have been relatively low because volume dropped considerably this week. And that probably allowed the market just to float up higher towards the end of the week to close up near its highs for the week. It's a pretty good response. And off that sort of bar, if trading conditions are favourable, there may be an attempt to push higher in response. If supply did happen to be drawn out, I would expect the market would attempt to test for supply for a second week. This would be a secondary test for supply, just to confirm that selling pressure is low, and possibly that also occurs when the market is looking for more favourable trading conditions. And test for supply is often used as a way for the market just to mark time for a period, waiting for more favourable conditions to develop. Overall, the market's done exactly what's expected. It's pushed higher in response to this period of consolidation, and this week it's just moved back to absorb supply for most of the week. And that leaves the door open for an attempt to push higher in response when trading conditions are found to be more favourable and selling pressure continues to be low.